Alright guys, today we have Jay. Jay hasn't been in for a while. What's going on today, Jay?
My lower back is hurting. I think I'm carrying around too much weight.
Okay. We have weight loss programs.
I don't need that. I'll be a toothpick by the time that program is over.
I was just playing. Yeah, this right side is definitely. Just relax on me.
Whoa. I guess I have to come in more than every 4 years.
A little more.
Y'all heard that? Just making sure. Oh, wow. Okay. Ready?
Grab your knees, lift your butt up. Push your butt down. Push your butt down. Push. Come on, that's all you got? Since you're an athlete. All right, relax. Y'all caught some mean ones. Just relax. Ooh. 4 years is a long time, man. You got that bling on, man. You about to blind the camera, man.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, guys, today we have Jay. Jay hasn't been in for a while. What's going on today, Jay?
My lower back is hurting. I think I'm carrying around too much weight.
Okay. We have weight loss programs.
I don't need that. I'll be a toothpick by the time that program is over.
I was just playing. Okay. Any other problems besides low back?
My neck. I can't turn sometimes to the right.
Okay. Is that? And then you said you had shoulder issues, right?
Oh, my shoulder, yes, is chronic.
Is it the same? Is it the same side with the neck?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's see. Maybe it's connected. Who knows?
Possibly.
Did you have this problem when you came to see me last time?
My shoulder been dislocating for years.
For years?
Probably on its like 13th or 14th dislocation.
Jesus. All right, we got to strengthen that. I'll try something. She said she's going to get surgery, but we're going to see if we can do something. But obviously, she comes in once every 4 years, so it's only so much we can do, right?
I'm going to come in more often.
Yeah, this right side is definitely. Just relax on me.
Whoa. Oof. I guess I have to come in more than every 4 years. Every 4 years.
4 years is not a good plan. It's not a good treatment plan.
It's not at all.
Let your head drop for me. Let it drop. A little more. There we go.
Y'all heard that? Just making sure. Oh, wow. Okay. Ready?
That's what it's really like when you don't come in.
4 years is too long. Do not take after me, okay? Maybe every 4 days.
Don't be like Jay, guys.
Every 4 days is something. Jeez.
Do you stretch?
Do I stretch?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm an athlete.
You're an athlete.
Oh, that's...
Oh, well, actually, you're pretty flexible. Just stretching. So the hamstrings are flexible. Are they strong though?
I think so.
You think so? All right.
Still.
Let's see. This one is push.
Push?
That's all you got? All right, relax. One more time. What sports you play?
None.
None? Push.
I used to be a cheerleader.
Oh.
But I guess
That's a sport.
some consider it one.
To some. All right, grab your knees for me. Grab your knees, lift your butt up. Push your butt down. Push your butt down. There we go. Push. Come on, that's all you got? Since you're an athlete. All right, relax. Push. All right, relax. One more time. All right, relax. How we doing?
Good. You said I had gas, so I was a little worried.
Please, yeah, because that would have been right. Straight crop dusted on the forearm. Slide this way. Then I had to bleach my arm and stuff. It's happened though.
Oh, man.
Yeah, like doing that stretch. Yeah, I caught some mean ones. Straighten this leg out. There we go. How we doing?
Sweating.
Hug yourself. Just relax. Ooh. 4 years is a long time, man. You about that bling on, man. You about to blind the camera, man.
Oh, man.
Just relax, just relax, just relax. We good?
Yeah.
Any ankle surgeries or anything? Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. I got you. There we go. Good. So this is called flexion distraction. Got to remind you, because you ain't been here. You ain't been here since Trump been in office.
Right.
Just relax. Just relax. Good. Good. All right. Let's see what's going on down here. Just relax. Uncross. Good. Just relax. I got you. How was it?
It's good.
Thought it was over, huh?
I always get scared when people get close to my shoulder. Pants, not for the week.
He got you. Good. All right, stand on up. How you feel?
Great. Do not wait that long to get adjusted ever again. I'll probably be back tomorrow, the day after that, you know. But overall, I feel great, and Dr. Randall is the best.